Hi everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all Filipinos around the world. OFWs, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Shout out to all OFWs, Filipino working abroad. Mabuhay po, mabuhay, mabuhay. Mabuhay at magandang buhay. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa lahat sa ating kung saan-saan man tayo sa iba-ibang lupalop ng mundo. So today, I'm gonna cook one of the most famous dish in a Bicol region. Bicol Express! Of course, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. Let's come closer. And before we gonna start the cooking, we're gonna use for cooking the Bicol Express 12 inches Salad Master EOC electric oil skillet. And the main ingredients of our Bicol Express is pork. It's hinugasan na yan guys, chop-chop na. And yung pangpasarap, bago alamang, fresh bagong alamang. I don't like the other people cooking o bagong alamang. I like only my own style. Bell pepper or sweet pepper. And 3 pieces of lemongrass and the hot chili pepper, the cayenne one in English or siling labuyo in Tagalog. And onions, garlic. So because I'm using lemongrass, I don't need to use ginger. Of course, to make it a little bit kind of twist, a little bit healthy, not very healthy because you know pork it's unhealthy. So to have a little bit healthy, we're gonna add vegetables, sigarilyas or in English, wing beans. So wing, flying, right? Diba? So kailangan ay medyo happy lang, good vibes. So this is all the ingredients of my Bicol Express. Oh, before I forgot that, guys, of course, Bicolanos dish. We're gonna use 2 cans coconut milk. So 2 cans coconut milk or 1.5 or maybe just 1, we will see. And black pepper, of course. So these are all my ingredients. And we don't need to use salt because this one is very salty, guys. So we're gonna use only maybe 2 tablespoons of this or whatever. So that's it, our ingredients. So we have to start now. For making sauté, we don't need to saute. We're gonna saute without using oil. Here you go, guys, because we're using Salad Master cookware. So here you go. First, for sauteing the meat, you just put all the ingredients there like onions and garlic. If you like using ginger, you can use ginger. And then, so we're gonna add also the lemongrass for sauteing the meat. And we're gonna add this. So that's how we're gonna do saute in a Salad Master. So that's how we're gonna do saute in Salad Master. Close the lid and we're gonna put the probe. So we're gonna saute for 450 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. It's only a medium heat. Turn on the probe and then program it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So 450 degrees Fahrenheit, salpat na yan. Attach the probe and we're gonna wait until it's gonna saute the meat without using oil. You know, guys, why we saute without using oil for the meat using Salad Master? Because you know, meat, they have their own fats that it's gonna cook by itself. So we don't need to use anything oil. Because if you use more oil, adding oil, it's gonna be toxic the food. It's gonna be giving you high cholesterol. So to avoid having high cholesterol in your body, don't use oil when you're doing cooking of the meats because the meats is gonna like taking off some parts on it. If you keep adding oil, it's, you know what I mean. So you have to do research, guys. If you don't trust me, you don't believe me, do your own research. You're gonna see what is the result on your research. It's free on Google, guys, or ChatGPT. So that's why we have high technology this time. Use that for free. So while we are doing that, while we are waiting for our saute, we gonna cut our sigarilyas or wing beans. I do need a sangkalan, guys, or chopping board. My hands is a easy chopping board, guys. If you're gonna cook sinigang, you can add also sigarilyas. But this one, sigarilyas, I really like it in coconut milk. See, guys, I'm faster using my bare hands. Tipid pa sa hugasan. Yun nga lang, pag nadali ang kamay nyo na cut, so yun ang problema. At the same times, guys, while I'm cooking this, I'm doing the cleaning. Because I'm gonna have 2 people coming to me and I'm gonna have a massage, and then later on it's gonna be 3 or 4 people or maybe 5 people gonna have dinner because they requested a Bicol Express. You know, guys, I only cook Bicol Express when somebody requested. I don't cook this often because, you know, I don't eat this often at isa pa matrabaho. I'm very busy, guys, in my life, so I don't have time to spend too much time for cooking. So because they requested it, they said they wanna taste my Bicol Express because I think last time when I cooked, they haven't tested my Bicol Express that I cook, so they want to taste it. When I cook Bicol Express, guys, everybody's love it. And they always do Sharon. See, guys, I'm very fast using my bare hands. Diba? Mabilis ako mag-cut using my bare hands. Siguro magtataka kayo bakit doble-doble ang cover sa hair ko because bagoong alamang or fresh alamang is stinky, guys. That's a very stinky food of Filipino, but it's the most delicious. Very delicious, guys. It's the stinkiest food, that's the most delicious food. So guys, my brand new massage table, black orange. It's beautiful. I just get it couple hours ago. See? It's beautiful. Plus, I have a massage table partner chair here. Brand new as well. So I just got it especially for my client for massage. So yung mga gusto magpa-massage, guys, sali na kayo. Ayun nga lang, cash only, guys. Cash only. And yeah. So nagmamassage na po ako. Mura lang, mura lang. Is my massage table. See, guys? Oh, ayan. Mura lang, mura ang pamassage. Kayang-kaya ng bulsa, presyong masa. So, guys, it's boiling already, the meat. So, we just gonna let it dry out or maiga yung kanyang tubig na nanggaling mismo sa meat. And then when it's dried up the liquid from the meat, then that's gonna start the sauteing. So we don't have to open that right now. It's gonna dried up by itself. That's why there's a bako bulb. It's nakaangat or see, so the moisture is gonna come out from that. So I got this bagong alamang fresh from Henlong, and I'm gonna put only 2 cayenne pepper or siling labuyo, 2 pieces only because this is very so spicy, and 2 cans of coconut milk. So let's check it out. Here you go. Now it's become oily. What we gonna do, we gonna remove some oil, guys. It's only a little bit, so it's fine. I thought it's gonna be more oil. So now we can add if it's a lot of oil, I'm gonna remove some. But since, see guys, you see it's roasted already, the color, it's turning brown. So we didn't open that, we just leave it until like that. So now it's pretty good, eh? See guys, it's pretty good. So now we can add the chili pepper. So it's gonna be melted and it's gonna be a little bit spicy. And then that's the time we're gonna add all the coconut milk. That's why my Bicol Express is always delicious, guys. See? Sabihin nyo na tutong. It's not tutong. It's not burned, guys. It's just roasted. And it smells so good when it's roasted. Then, that's the time we're gonna add this. The bagoong alamang or fresh shrimp paste. But it's not really paste because there's still like fresh, the bagoong or the alamang or the baby shrimp. It's hard to open. There you go. Now, get here. Maliit ang bibig ng ating. So let's, oh there you go. So add this. That's it, guys. 2 tablespoons is enough. And then we're gonna close the lid. Guys, it's dried already after 5 minutes with after 5 minutes with coconut milk. It's dried up already. So it's the time to add the wing beans or sigarilyas. So just gonna put on top so it doesn't be soggy. So now we're gonna add the bell pepper as well. So that's how I do, guys, with vegetables. But mostly Bicolanos, when they cook Bicol Express, they don't put vegetables. But because I'm a healthy conscious person, I want to become like healthy. So even this pork is unhealthy, so we add a healthy stuff. So it's gonna be balanced. Okay, so add black pepper to make it more delicious. At nandito na yung aking mga tagitikim. Nagtikiman na sila, kaya medyo kumunti na yung ating niluluto. Mga excited, guys, sa Bicol Express. So put the lid and then let it cook for another 2 to 5 minutes. So because the vegetable, it's easy to cook. So ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, ang tagatikim, oh. Ayan ang mga taga-tikim, oh. Ano lasa?
Number 1.
Hindi.
Yummy.
Ayan pa yung isa, oh. At nagbukod na siya. Ayan, sabaw na lang yung natira. Yan ang mga... Sarap na, oh.
Masarap talaga.
Walang katulad dyan na luto.
Exceptional.
Guys, guys. O, luto na. Ayan na. O, diba? Hindi siya nagsagi ang ating gulay. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang... Ayan na siya. O, diba? O, ayan. O, naging oil na yung sabaw niya. Yung gata naging oil. O, diba? Ang sarap nito, guys. O, ayan. Pwede na natin siyang haluin kasi tapos na siyang lutuin. So, ganyan po ang salad master. You can stir only after it's done cooking. So, ayan na, oh, ang resulta, guys. Oh, wow! Bicol Express with sigarilyas or wing beans and peppers. Oh, diba, guys? Oh, wow! Kalami kaayo, sabi sa Bisaya. Kasiraman ka ini. Mga oragon, pertihon ini, o painguragan sa pagkakaan. O, ayan na, di ba? Sarap-sarap. O, ayan. Ganyan tayo magluto ng Bicol Express na may kasamang sigarilyas or wing beans. So, kita nyo yung mga mantika niya, o. Bonggang-bongga. Hindi na siya makapag-antay kay Kuya Amado. Tikim na ng tikim. Hindi makatiis.
Naka-short pa.
Hindi pa nakabihis eh. Ayan na, kakain na tayo. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Oh guys, ang ating Bicol Express na may sigarilyas, kalami kaayo, masiramon ini, mga oragon, magkaraka na kita. Sarap po. Sabi nga nila nitong aking dalawang kasama ngayon sa bahay, bisita, ay, sabaw pa lang daw, ulam na. Sabi ng papa ko, nung bagong kilala niya sa mama ko, kasi ang mama ko ay Tagalog, from Batangas, sabi ng papa ko, ay susni, pag natanaan mo ining luto kung ini, pakniton mo ang kalson mo sa sobrang siram. Oh, mga taga-Tagalog, di nyo alam yon. So, mga Bicol, alam nyo na ibig sabihin noon. Pasensya na ha, medyo may kunting bastos na salita. Pero, hindi naman talaga yun bastos. Mga mannerism lang yun ng mga Bicolano. So, grabe oh. Wow, may sigarilyas na Bicol Express. Kananam sa nakaini. Oh, yan. Oh, ready to fight sa pagkain namin. Dami niya, no? Dami niyang pagkain namin, guys. So, grabe. Oh, kasarap, oh. Perte. Tinan mo si ate. Hindi na siya nakakuha ng plato. Talagang dinainantay yung plato, eh. Ayaw niya na magplato.
This is it.
Ayan, oh. Hey, gumanda si ano, oh. Si Susan, nung na-massage, pati ikaw, nag-ano yung mukha mo, nag-fresh. Na-refresh ba?
Nag-rosy cheeks.
Oo, nag-rosy cheeks. Ang ganda kaya.